more than 2 weeks of anti-racism protests in London and elsewhere, the Prime Minister says he wants to stamp out racism, end discrimination and stop the sense of victimisation. A man accused of urinating next to a memorial to a murdered police officer during the demonstrations in central London on Saturday is due in court later. Andrew Banks, who's 28 and from Essex, has been charged with outraging public decency. Shops that have had to close for the last 12 weeks can reopen from today. The Prime Minister says shoppers should have confidence in the measures being taken to guard against the spread of COVID-19. Also from today, most passengers must cover their faces on public transport, and some pupils in years 10 and 12 can go back to school for some face-to-face time with their teachers ahead of their exams next year. And bells at churches across London rang out 72 times last night to honour the 72 victims of the fire at Grenfell Tower on its third anniversary. London's weather, another warm day ahead, plenty of sunshine, although maybe a bit hazier later, always the risk of a sharp shower, and top temperatures of 23 Celsius, 73 Fahrenheit. Now with the BBC Radio London travel, Lewis Gillingham.
Thanks Matthew. As you were saying, from today, flights covering Tosca for the full duration of journeys on the public transport network. Now a reduced service is continuing to operate on London Underground lines, the BLR and London Overground services as well. A quick overview: 2-minute service on the Victoria line, a 4-minute service on the Central and Northern lines, a 5-minute service on the Bakerloo District, Jubilee, Metropolitan and Piccadilly lines, and a 10-minute service on the Circle, Hammersmith and City and DLR. London Overground, no service Surrey Quays to New Cross, normal service elsewhere, and the Waterloo and City line remains suspended. The advice from TfL remains to avoid public transport if at all possible, and if you have to use it, to avoid using it at the busiest times. Now on the roads, the M25 looking slow. There's one lane closed anti-clockwise from junction 25 the A10 at Enfield to junction 24 at Potters Bar. That's for repair work and causing queues back to junction 26. Clockwise in Kent, there's one lane shut between junction 5 at Sevenoaks and junction 6 at Godstone due to a broken down vehicle causing queues. The A13 is slow coming into town from Goresbrook. The Blackwell Tunnel is queuing northbound to Woolwich Road flyover, and the M11 is slow southbound from junction 5 down to the A406 North Circular. Lewis Gillingham, BBC Radio London. There's more travel at 8.
BBC Sounds.
In these testing times, people in London and everywhere in the UK are making a difference.
We support people who are old, young, support families, different cultures, different races, different creeds, different religions, and provide free hot meals twice